Algebra 1, number 5.9b, we're going to talk about two different ways to multiply a binomial by a binomial, and that's the FOIL method and a rectangular method. If you want to see a stacked column method, that would be in the next video, 5.9c. That's the one coming after this one. When we want to multiply two binomials, we can use the FOIL method. It stands for first, outside, inside, last. And some textbooks say outer and inner. It's the same thing, outside, outer, inside, inner. We multiply the two first terms in the parentheses. Then we multiply the two outer terms in the parentheses. Then we multiply the two inner terms in the parentheses. And then we multiply the two last ones. See? So it spells F-O-I-L, FOIL. You can also think of it as using the distributive property twice. We're going to distribute this x to that x and then to the 4. Then we're going to distribute the 3 to that x and to that 4. That's all. That's all we're doing, okay? We can look at it as like we're trying to find the area of a quadrilateral, where we multiply the length times the width. If we've got 2x plus 4 as our length and 2x plus 3 as our width, we could just do length times width. And we can use a rectangular model to show us what's happening when we multiply the two binomials. So now we've got 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 4. So we can use this rectangular method. What you do is you make a rectangle with four spaces in it, squares or rectangles in it, and we put our 2x here, and then this would be the plus 3, and this is the 2x plus 4 on this side. And we multiply the 2x by the 2x and get 4x squared. We multiply this 2x by the 4 and get 8x. We multiply this 2x by the 3 and get 6x. And we multiply the 4 and the 3 and get a 12. Now all we have to do is combine like terms. The product of the two binomials is the sum of the 4 monomials. So we ended up with 4 monomials. We need to put them in order. And we can do it in descending order with the exponent that's the largest first. And we see we have a 6x and an 8x. That would be the green ones. They're going to be combined as like terms, see? And 6 and 8 is 14. And with exponential notation, the x just comes along for the ride, doesn't it? And then we have our plus 12. See? So remember, monomials have a 1 term, binomials have 2 terms, trinomials have 3 terms, and these are all considered polynomials, okay? So using the FOIL, the first, outside, inside, last method of distributing twice, we distribute the 2a in this binomial to the a and get 2a times a, and we distribute 2a to the 3b and get 2a times 3b. Then we multiply the 5b times the a, that's the inside, and the 5b times the 3b, that's the last one. I'm going to put plus signs in between them and we can do the multiplication. 2a times a is 2a squared. 2a times a 3b is 6ab. 5b times an a is a 5ab. And 5b times 3b is 15b squared. So now we can see we have some like terms that we can combine, and we get 2a squared plus 11ab plus 15b squared. See? And this polynomial is written in descending order for the exponent a. So the a is large here, then it goes to this one, and then there isn't one, see? So remember, when multiplying terms, we add the exponents. That's when multiplying. That's the product rule of exponents. When we're adding terms, like this 6ab and the 5ab, we just add the coefficients, don't we? All right? You can watch the next video to learn how to multiply binomials stacked in columns. And that'll be 5.9c. And there's links to exponential notation explaining why we don't add the ABs here. It's just adding the coefficients, and the product rule of exponents. There'll be links in this description, okay? So let's talk about stacking these binomials so that we can multiply them in the next video. I hope I'll see you there. Bye.